Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce eye strain on your Windows 11 PC by enabling the night light, also known as blue light filter. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to search bar, type settings, click on system, then click on display. Here you will see the second option was night light. So turn it on by toggle on. Here you will see the screen dim into warm color. By clicking on the arrow, you will see the more options in this. For example, if you adjust your strength, night light strength according to your eye strain, 100 is for darker, 50 is normal. Also, there was a schedule night light option. Toggle it on. Here you will see sunset to sunrise. When the sunset, the night light filter will automatically on. The sunrise, the night light filter will be turned off. You can also set hours according to your need. For example, you turn on the night light filter. For example, I will turn it on 7 p.m. and turn off 6 p.m. 6 a.m. sorry. So here you will adjust according to your time and that's it. Another quick way is through the quick settings. You can press the Windows plus A button to enable quick settings. Going to next page. Here you will see the night light column. Click on there. The night light filter will be enabling from desktop. And that's it. Your eyes will thank you, especially during late night work sessions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on making your Windows experience easy on your eyes. Thanks for watching.